with my family in Belgium, I thought I'd give you my opinion on what I hope will be some of the coolest places around. Oh, it'll get crowded sometimes, but I don't mind. I'd go around the world to get a peek inside.
Hi, welcome to a peek inside. I'm in Binche, Belgium, here to show you the Mardi Gras celebration. And no, it is nothing like the one in New Orleans, but the festivities begin. Like all Mardi Gras celebrations, this is a feast before the fast, a final celebration before the solemn season of Lenten. Here comes Gilles. These are basically clowns that go on parade. They carry oranges that they throw to members of the crowd. It's considered an honor to catch an orange. Members of the crowd can also walk among the parade of Gilles and receive the oranges by hand. The Gilles costumes, by law, may not be taken out of the city and can only be worn for this special day. These are La Lequin, one of the societies of clowns that walk out on parade. Did I mention that the Gilles aren't the only ones? There are also Le Pierrot and La Paisa. Each society of clowns has its own set of drummers. And speaking of Gilles, here's one getting ready. Earlier in the day, the Gilles wear masks with a built-in mustache and glasses. When they're not wearing the masks, they wear large feathered hats. Sometimes they stop and mingle with the crowd. And the Gilles are all converging on the parade route. And as you can see, people have chicken wire up over their windows because what's about to happen. Remember when I told you the Gilles threw oranges? It's happening now. It starts off slowly, but it eventually goes wild. Some people even bring shopping bags to catch the oranges. These people even put an orange catcher to put on their window. Can you see it on the right? Now the oranges are really flying. Keep your eye on the top right of the screen. It's a barrage! Here are Le Pierrot getting in on the act. It's really a parade for everyone and a great time. If you'd like to visit Binche, it's located an hour south of Brussels in the Wallonia region of Belgium. You can visit the International Carnival and Mask Museum in town to learn more about the celebration and its traditions. I hope you enjoyed your peek inside Binche. If so, that's a good thing. See you next time, and goodbye.